Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Windows 11 is up to date and developer mode is optional but useful. Once done, download the official Python 3.x installer. Run it as administrator. Make sure to check Add Python to Path and choose Install for all users if you want system-wide access. Click Install now and watch the progress. If you picked Customize, select pip and TCL/TK support. This step creates the core runtime and command line access, so you can run Python and pip immediately. After installation, open PowerShell and run Python version and pip version to verify the binaries are reachable. If commands fail, edit environment variables. Add C/users /u /appdata /local /programs /python 3x and its scripts folder to path, then reopen the shell. Next, install virtualenv or use venv. Run python mvenv and activate it with \env /scripts /activate. PS1 to finalize, associate Py files with your chosen editor and install VS Code plus the Python extension for linting and debugging. Make sure the interpreter selector points to your virtualenv or desired Python install. Run piplist and try Python C import sys version to confirm runtime behavior. If something breaks, check path order, remove conflicting Python. exe from other folders, or rerun the installer choosing install for all users. That usually resolves permission and path conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.